Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring the Bitter Truth Apricot Liqueur.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, tell us a little bit about this one.
All right. The Bitter Truth Apricot Liqueur. So you guys can go check out the thing we did on their allspice called the Pimento Dram on their history for them. That was a very fun video. Like I said, this is also 22%. This is a combination of the juice of a sun-ripened apricot to the apricot schnapps made from that same fruit, and just the right amount of sugar, as they say on their website. Some fun cocktails to make this is the Pendennis, the Liberty Bell, the Charlie Chaplin, the Spencer, and the Apricot Spritz. All right, let's see what we think.
The Charlie Chaplin, huh?
Charlie Chaplin.
I don't know. Their website's really cool.
That's very
It's-
much apricot.
It's
Apricot,
Snapple,
like a-
apricot
It's
tea.
Snapple.
It's Snapple.
Yeah, it's like it's got like this little bit of almond behind it too,
It has
which
almost
is the apricot pit.
it has almost a cough syrup.
Yeah,
feel to
I
it.
can see that. Yeah,
I'm getting like a peach tea from Snapple.
yeah, totally. Except for apricot tea, but yeah,
Except for apricot.
I get it,
but they're
it's
so
that-
close. They're so
that's
close.
true. They're both fuzzy peach fruits.
And I'm getting a bitterness like a
Fruit.
black tea in there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I was surprised that I enjoyed the last of these.
Yeah, that was
Bitter
fun.
Truth.
I really like the smell of this one.
I do too. It smells sweet, but not
I'm not gonna
overbearing.
lie. You want to know what it kind of smells like? Dayquil.
Ah,
Dayquil's too orange.
yeah. This is a little bit less.
No.
I've been taking Dayquil for the last 2 weeks,
I
so I'm fully aware.
do
Thank
think
God
it's
it's not
got
taste
some
like
orange
Dayquil.
in it.
Yeah. It smells good though.
It might have like the lingering, like the nose of Dayquil if you had it up here and like came into it, but Dayquil does not taste like it. Thank God.
No, I didn't. I mean, I haven't tasted it yet, but just the smell.
Mm.
Oh, that's good.
It's not
I like
crazy
that.
sugary sweet. They
No.
cut the sugar way down. I mean, for Will, obviously it's.
Right. Right.
But
This is
compared to the other thing I just
artificial,
gave
though.
you,
It's not-
it's not that sweet.
It's not too sweet.
Yeah, it's like
Again-
apricot, like fruit cling. You know, that syrup you get in a can with like some sugar and a little bit of almonds. I like it. I think it's good. I think it's going to be really fun in the cocktails.
Much like the last Bitter Truth that you had me try, it's balanced.
Yeah, they do a very good job with their stuff.
It is sweet, but it's not.
It's not kicking the teeth.
cloyingly sweet. It's not spun sugar sweetness.
Yeah, it's not
just-
fake sugar sweet.
Right.
Right.
It's,
It's
just,
just sweet.
yeah, it's just naturally because apricots are sweet and it's sweet.
Yep. It's not bad.
No,
Yeah,
like it.
I don't dislike that.
Right.
yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah, I could see that making really fun cocktails. I could see that being a really fun additive to a lot of different drinks.
Absolutely.
Up to and including even like an old fashioned, just like a different kind of different
Ooh.
take on an old fashioned, just like peach instead of the
So the
typical
orange.
Yeah.
Ooh, I bet that would be really good.
I bet it'd be really, really tasty.
I'm going to try that next time.
I think it
like
would
this
be-
idea.
Actually, really good in like a frozen margarita.
Ooh,
Oh, or Bellini, like a peach Bellini or something
Peach
like that. Apricot
Bellini?
Bellini would be amazing with this stuff.
yes, champagne and this.
I think I need to reach out to these guys. I think these guys would be fascinating to talk to because they're super nerdy. They'd probably be fun to have on the show. I need to see if I can get a hold of them.
I do a Monday with you on this, Matt.
They're cool. I've got tons of their stuff. I love their stuff.
Might need to
We're going to do
request
their
the next
entire
day off,
line.
but I'll do it.
I have all of them.
Right.
So, I mean, the only one I'm missing, I'm missing one. I'm missing their violet. That's the only one I can't find is the violet Bitter Truth. So if you see one of those in your travels, let me know.
Heard that. All right.
Oh.
I'll go out with it.
Don't forget to hit
there
that
we
like
go.
and
A little
subscribe. Let me try it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.
cheers.
Mm-mm.
That's good.
One more to do. and it's green.
Oh, I saved you the best for last, Will. Don't you worry about this. This, I assure you, you won't like.
I assure you won't like.
It's Hiram Walker. This chance of you liking is not good.
No.
I mean, it says Hiram Walker, it says De Cooper, you're like, oh, fuck.